Introducing Ophthaviz, a next-generation cataract surgery simulator designed to transform ophthalmic surgical training through immersive technology and structured learning. Ophthaviz combines realistic surgical workflows, guided procedural learning, and advanced simulation technology with haptic feedback to create a complete ophthalmic skill-building experience. Designed for medical colleges, teaching hospitals, and ophthalmology training centers, Ophthaviz helps ophthalmology trainees, residents, and surgeons build confidence through hands-on virtual practice. The system delivers anatomically accurate surgical simulation with realistic incision mechanics and precision haptic feedback. Interactive modules guide trainees through every step, while progress tracking, performance analytics, and faculty evaluation ensure measurable learning outcomes. Ophthaviz delivers structured cataract surgery training through guided tutorials, real-time performance evaluation, and objective skill assessment designed to improve surgical precision and procedural confidence. From basic cataract procedures to advanced surgical complications, Ophthaviz helps to improve motor surgical skills, microscope handling, and pivoting at incision. Every stage of cataract surgery is replicated with clinical accuracy, from side port incision to intraocular lens implantation. Perform anterior chamber procedures with realistic staining and ophthalmic viscosurgical device injection. Execute controlled capsulotomy and capsulorhexis with dynamic tissue resistance and tearing mechanics. Experience fluid dynamics during hydrodissection and nucleus mobilization with precise rotational feedback. Refine phacoemulsification techniques, including sculpting, chopping, vacuum control, and pedal integration. Develop advanced dual-hand coordination during nucleus removal, cortical aspiration, and intraocular lens positioning. The immersive hardware ecosystem recreates the operating theater environment for realistic surgical simulation. A microscope-like visualization system delivers depth perception, while precision haptic devices replicate real surgical instrument handling. Integrated dual-foot pedal systems simulate phacofluidics control and microscope parameter adjustments for realistic surgical coordination. By reducing wet lab dependency and enabling repeatable practice, Ophthaviz empowers trainees to achieve surgical confidence faster and safer. Train smarter, practice safer. Master cataract surgery with Ophthaviz.